Good day, everyone. I am Jeremy Stanislaw, and I am from grade 12 Rooms A. The place I chose was the church, because this is where I can often be seen. If I'm not at home, I'm in the church. I'm always in the church, because this is where I feel the true rest. Every time I go to church, all my tiredness disappear. I'm always in the church, almost every day. Sometimes my parents tell me to live there. The church is my favorite place because whenever I go through a problem or a test in my life, I immediately go to the church to tell the Lord God everything I'm going through. I often go to church because it's nice to breathe there and there are beautiful view of plants. So I'm always hang out in the church because that's where I can think properly and I feel that the church is the perfect place for me. I stay in the church because my troops and my friend were there once we talk about things our lives. In the church, the people are very kind, even if you are not blood relatives or children. They treat each other like brother and sister. Even if you're not the same age, they know how to greet each other. For me, there is nothing else, no place but the church. So it's you look for me, and I'm not at home. I'm only the church. Thank you.